Hello viewers, welcome to Common Core and Gifted Learning. This is Sneha. If you're new to my channel, uh, please like, share and subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer and if you have already subscribed to my channel, I just wanted to thank you and I'm really grateful for your likes and subscription. Today, I wanted to discuss about some questions that I often hear from parents about, brain foods and brain supplements. But even to before I begin, I just wanted to mention few disclaimers. Number one being that I am not a nutritionist or a doctor who actually has the license to even recommend anything. So this is something it personally worked for me and my family and my extended family. So I thought to share it with a hope that it might help somebody out there. So before trying or even thinking, if you're thinking to try them, please consult a physician or a nutritionist because some of your kids might be allergic to that particular food or a particular ingredient in the supplement. And third thing is, like, I am not endorsing any brand or not getting paid by any company to say it out there. This is just what I use personally. I'm just sharing it without any filter because this really helped me. And if and I hope it helps your child or you as well. So 5 supplements that students should take. Number one, fish oil. Fish oil, we all know it's and has in anti-inflammatory properties. And what I use is the Carlson Norwegian cod liver oil liquid. And I prefer liquid because it's easier on the kidney. And also this particular one is lemon flavor that I use. And my kid likes it. And there is no fishy smell, and you just have to refrigerate it. That's all you have to do. So fish oil is something I use daily. Then we have Bacopa. The one I use is the Himalaya company's Mind Care. Before, when my child was not able to take caps, we used to use a Mentat DS syrup. But we recently switched to the Mind Care Himalaya one. They both are same ingredients. This is what I use, and it might not be for your child. So this is something you have to check with your physician or probably your nutritionist. But this really helped my child with his cognitive abilities. So this is some, and memory as well. So this is something I take, like I give him regularly. Then vitamins and vitamin C. So the best ones I found, other than gummies or something, so any supplements I would recommend it liquid or chewable. This is less stress on the kidneys. And this is Emergen-C Immune C. This is the best. You just instead of 1 glass of water, you just mix it up, and it has everything, the multivitamins, all the vitamins to in a proper balanced way. And then it also has all the vitamins that's needed. And our brain needs some kind of electrolyte and some amount of like the zinc and the potassium balance to send signals to the neurons. So if they don't have that medium, or if that medium doesn't have that particular chemical balance, it won't be able to repair its brain cells or repair its neurons or send in signals. So lack of vitamins or certain minerals actually can cause a lot of brain inflammation. And this really works with the nervous system really well, as well as the immunity. So this is something I would use say for a month, and then stop for a few days, and then for a month. So not on a regular basis, but this is what I do. I take it like every other month or so. Then we have melatonin. So melatonin is only I do when my child needs to restore like a healthy sleep habit after a vacation or after a long weekend, not on a regular basis. But this is something I use only 20 drops of, and the one I use is Now Foods. This really helps with the sleep restoration cycle, because I have seen kids sometimes going off track with the vacations or with the time change when we travel to India, or sometimes even with like just like say taking a flu medicine or something, and then they get used to sleeping too much and then they can't sleep with on the right time. So this I use more like a reboot made, but I don't use it like every day or every time. This is next is probiotic or prebiotics. The one I use is called Kids Probiotic and Prebiotic, and it has sun fibers. This is a chewable, and it's berry flavor, and it works well for my child. And it's a 2-month supply, and you just have to take one. And if you don't like this particular flavor, cultural is also good, the one with fiber. So gut has a lot of relation with the brain. So all the stress related to studies, or the anxiety related to the school does cause little bit of inflammation here and there in the brain, and that also is interrelated to the gut. And if you're somehow your gut is not regular, it does affect your brain. So this is something my child takes regularly, and it keeps him like ongoing and really happy and healthy, touch wood. And this is something that worked for me again. And if your child doesn't need it, it's okay, but this is something I recommend for digestion and immune system as well. This kind I think like if you can just take probiotic or prebiotic, it can save you from a lot of other troubles that happens. And then it really helps with the mind care as well, not only with the digestive care. So that was the end of today's video. Hope it helps you and your child, whoever you are watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. I'll be happy to help you in whatever ways possible. So, and thanks for watching. See you until next time. Bye-bye.